Hi everyone, I'm Mandy from Gel Essentials. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little video to show you the differences between the three main types of gel that we offer. We do builder gels, we do sculpting gels, and we do ACRYL gel. And one of the questions we're asked most often is what is the difference between the three types of gel? So I'm just going to do a quick little video to show you all three gels so you can see which is best suited to you and your clients. If you've got any questions, please give us a comment below or send us an email or a message via Instagram or Facebook, and we'd be happy to help. So let's get cracking. Okay, so here are the three main groups of gel that we do. We do hard builder gels, we do sculpting gels, and we do ACRYL gel. All of our gels are hard gels, so they're all non-soak off, file off only gels. You don't need to use an electric file to file them off, although you can do. They are very easy to file, and one of the things I love most of all about our gel range is how easy the filing is. It saves so much time and so much stress, and it also helps with fatigue. You know, when you're filing all day every day, it really does help to have a system that is really easy to file. So we'll go through each individual system. So the first one we're going to try is our builder gel range, our hard builder gels. These are available in clear, cover pink and transparent pink. So these gels are the thinnest of the gels that we do. They're more like the traditional gels that have been around for many years. Our gels are slightly thicker. If you just have a look at the brush, the gel will hold its shape to a point, but they are still the thinnest of the gels that we do. So you would just apply a bead to the nail and then use the tip of your brush to gently work the product from the cuticle area down to the free edge. So these gels are completely self-leveling, so if you're new to nails or you like a gel that self-levels, this is the only gel in the range that is a true self-leveling gel. And one of the biggest selling points of this gel is that it has absolutely no heat during curing. So if you've got someone who's got particularly sensitive nail beds, then this is the perfect gel for them. So you'll see it's holding its shape, but because it is a thinner gel, you wouldn't be able to use this gel to create lots and lots of shape. And it's more suited to either a natural nail overlay or use over tips. You wouldn't really want to sculpt with it for two reasons. One, it would be too runny, and two, it's not quite strong enough to withstand a really long sculpted nail. But if you're doing short nail extensions, or you're doing it over tips, or you're doing a natural nail overlay, it's ideal. And as I say, it really is ideal for anyone who's got sensitive nail beds. You can see it is still holding its shape, but you wouldn't want to do like an extreme shape like a Russian almond or anything like that with it. So a quick recap of the builder gels. They have no heat spike, no heat during curing at all. They're suitable for short extensions. You can use them over tips or overlay, and they are completely self-leveling. So the next group of gels are our sculpting gels. Sculpting gels available in natural pink, dusky pink, snow white and hint of pink. This sculpting gel is my baby. It was the inspiration to start Gel Essentials. I received a sample of this product 5 years ago, and I was so blown away by it. It inspired me to start a company specialising in gels only, and this does to date remain our best-selling gel. It is a beautiful gel to work with. It's super strong. It's stronger than our hard gels. So the first thing that you'll notice about the natural pink sculpting gel is the difference in consistency. When you remove it from the pot, you can see from the indentation in the pot that the gel just does not move. It's almost like a really thick yogurt type consistency. And one of the beautiful things about this product is, even though it's super strong, it's really light on the nail, and clients comment constantly that they feel like they haven't got nail extensions on, because it does feel really super light on the nail. So to apply, you would just roll the bead of sculpting gel onto the nail, and then use the very tip of your brush just to work the product towards the cuticle and then down to the free edge. And you're working on the surface of the product. Because this gel's a thicker gel, you can create a lot of shape with it. So one of the bonuses over the builder gels is that because it's thicker and because it will support itself, you can create a lot longer extensions. You can create a lot more shape with it, and it won't run or slump. It'll stay in exactly the same state that it's in now. So even if you left that for 20 minutes, you'd come back to it and the gel would be in exactly the same place as it was when you left it. So it gives you endless working time, and it does give you the option of creating a lot more shape. So if you wanted a bigger apex, you can create a bigger apex, and it's not going to then want to self-level itself. It will just stay where it is. Now, unlike our builder gels, this gel can produce heat during curing, but it's very easy to manage because it gives you plenty of warning before it heat spikes. So as soon as you feel any warmth at all, remove it from the lamp for about 20 seconds and then return it in, just to slow the curing process down. It's not a really quick heat spike, so you do get lots of warning, and it is very easy to manage. Alternatively, you could just put it in the lamp for 5 or 10 seconds, remove it out, do that a couple of times just to slow the process down, and then you won't feel any heat whatsoever. So as you can see from the side, there's no chance of that gel moving now. Unlike our builder gels, the sculpting gels aren't self-leveling. They'll self-level to a point. So if you were to create a little indentation there, you'll see that the gel will, within itself, it will start to level off. But generally speaking, you've got more control with this gel, because it will basically go wherever you tell it to go, and it'll stay there. And it is super strong. Recap on the sculpting gels: they stay in place with no slumping, giving you endless working time. They're suitable for long extensions. You can use them over tips or forms or as an overlay, and they're extremely strong. And finally, we have our gorgeous ACRYL gels. I absolutely love this product. ACRYL gel is available in 6 colours: clear, pink blush, baby pink, rose pink, pink shimmer and bright white, and I hope I've not forgotten one. It's a completely different system in that it is in a tube rather than a pot, and it is applied slightly differently to conventional gels. So this gel comes in a tube and you basically use a spatula to remove the bead that you want, and then you roll the bead onto the nail. So it is a completely different system in terms of how it's applied. You use a brush and you use a liquid. We're using our nail prep and cleanser. The purpose of that is to stop the brush sticking to the gel. This liquid has no effect on the gel whatsoever, other than it stops the product sticking to your brush. And the way to apply ACRYL gel is simply to pat it into place. So similar to how you would apply an acrylic. Again, you've got complete control over it, and then just drag it down the nail. And you'll feel, when you run out of liquid on your brush, you'll just feel that it starts to be a little bit stickier on your brush. So re-dip it. There are endless benefits to this gel. If you're a former acrylic user and you don't like the odour of acrylic, or you find it too quick setting, or you just want to try something different, ACRYL gel is like a compromise between acrylic and gel, really. It's completely odourless, there's no odour whatsoever. You've got complete control over it, it won't run, it won't move, and basically it's just one of the easiest systems I think in 24 years that I've ever used. It's so super quick and really easy to use, and it's very strong. I would say it's, in terms of strength, it's certainly as strong as our sculpting gel, and I would say as strong as acrylic. Certainly in my experience, I've never broken one of these yet, or I've never had a breakage come to me from people who've had this applied. So it's a super strong system, very easy to use, very easy to apply. The clear is crystal clear, so you can use it over glitters and it won't dull them. I absolutely adore this system. I find it so easy to use, great for trainees, because you're not under the pressure. You can basically do anything you like to this product. So if you made a mistake and you need to correct it, you can just do it. You can literally play with this product for as long as you want and keep playing with it until you're happy with the shape, which again reduces filing. And I know I keep going on about reducing filing, but I really do think nail technicians are under a lot of physical stress with filing, and I think if you've got a product that can help with that, then that's great. One of the other things I love about ACRYL gel is it's really versatile. So you can use it to marble, using the 2 or 3 colours blended together. This is a marble and fade using our coloured gels and ACRYL gel, and there is a French fade baby boomer. So it's a really, really versatile system. Recap on ACRYL gel: it stays in place with unlimited working time, it's suitable for super long extensions, you can use over tips, forms or overlay, it's super strong, it's odourless, it's really easy to file, and you can use it to marble and French fade. So I hope that's given you an insight into the 3 different ranges of gels that we offer. All products are available on our website and we can now ship worldwide. If you have any comments, please comment below or send us a message via Instagram or Facebook. We've got lots of other videos on our YouTube channel showing various applications. Thanks for watching.